In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an invoice from Accounts Payable in QuickBooks. We'll walk through finding the invoice you need and getting a clean copy printed or saved as a PDF so you can route it for approval, attach it to your payment documentation, or keep it on file for your records. I'll keep this simple, clear, and easy to follow. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the left navigation menu. Click Sales. This area shows customer-related transactions in one place, and it's the quickest route to the document we need. Once you're in Sales, choose All Sales. That view brings up every recent transaction, including invoices, so you don't have to bounce around different pages. If your list looks crowded, don't worry. We'll narrow it down next. To focus only on invoices, use the filters at the top and set the type to invoices. This instantly trims the list to just what we need. If you know the customer name, invoice number, or date range, the search and filter tools can speed things up even more. Scan the results and click the specific invoice you want to work with. Opening it lets you confirm details like amounts, due dates, and line items, which is helpful before you commit anything to paper or share a PDF with others. With the invoice open, look for the option labeled Print or Preview. Click that to see how the invoice will look when it's printed. The preview is your chance to make sure totals, company details, and formatting appear correctly. If everything looks good, select Print to send it to your printer. If your browser prompts you to choose a printer or adjust settings such as pages, margins, or scale, take a quick moment to confirm those are correct for your layout. If you prefer a digital copy, choose the option to download as a PDF. This creates a clean, shareable file you can email for approval, attach to your payment workflow, or store with your accounting backup. After downloading, you can open the PDF and print it from your PDF viewer if you need a paper version later. Saving a copy is also a smart way to maintain a clear audit trail alongside your payment records. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales, open All Sales, filter for invoices, select the one you need, then use Print or Preview to print or download a PDF and print from there. With these steps, you'll always have the right invoice on hand to support timely and accurate payments.